If you are involved to cryptocurrency and you are a beginner, then this video is for you. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Cryptobubbles YouTube channel. Once again, I am here with a useful video where I will show you 7 crypto websites that you need to check daily. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. That's why never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. I don't know why people are not liking my video, so please like my video, because just clicking on the like button, I will be motivated and daily you will receive a useful video. As I told you, in this video, I will show you 7 best crypto websites that you need to check daily. If you are beginner to cryptocurrency and you are new, you don't know which website is better for you, which website to check daily in order to find the best website, in order to find the best cryptocurrency, in order to find the daily news. So this video is for you. In this video, I will cover 7 crypto websites where you need to check daily if you want to make money with cryptocurrency. The first website in our list is Coinmarketcap.com. Coinmarketcap.com is a crypto watcher where you can find any cryptocurrencies, current price, market cap, daily volume, circulating supply and the whole detail about the coins. So you can see this is Coinmarketcap.com. In here you can find how many cryptocurrencies are in crypto market, as we have 16,000 total cryptos in market, and total we have 451 exchanges. In this website you can find the market cap of the whole crypto, and then daily volume, Bitcoin's dominance, Ethereum dominance. Beside that you can find the top gainers and losers coins, even recently added cryptocurrencies that are added to Coinmarketcap.com. And then if I scroll down, so you can find all the cryptocurrencies in this website. As we check, the first position is Bitcoins. Here you will find the current price, daily percentage, how many percent daily the coin just increased or dropped, 7 days, the market cap, 24-hour volume, circulating supply and last 7 days chart. So you can find the whole detail about any cryptocurrencies. Even you can search about individual coins. Simply click in here and you can search, like suppose I will search about Baby Doge. So type here Baby Doge. Once you type any coin, so in here you will find all the Baby Doge coins. Like we have Baby Doge coin, Baby Doge Ethereum, Mini Baby Doge, Baby Doge Billionaire. So if we click on Baby Doge coin, so you will get the whole detail about Baby Doge coin. You can search about Shipcoin, XRP, Cardano, any other new recently added coin in order to check the whole detail. So in here you will find the official website, and then Etherscan or Explorers community, white paper, contract address of any cryptocurrency, the market cap, daily volume, circulating supply. Even you can check the chart and you can check the market in which exchange this coin is available. And then you can find new cryptocurrencies, new recently added coins to Coinmarketcap.com. Simply come to here, cryptocurrencies, ranking, recently added. And then you have multiple options if you want to check, as we have gainers and losers. So this is all the newly recently added cryptocurrency. You can buy and sell these coins in order to make money with cryptocurrency. Beside that you can find the NFT coins, metaverse cryptocurrencies, Web3 coins. So everything you will find on Coinmarketcap.com. So if you want me to make a separate video how you can use Coinmarketcap.com, so tell me in comment section. However, I have uploaded how to use Coinmarketcap.com. I will give the link in description if you want to check it. The second website in our list is Coingecko.com. Coingecko and Coinmarketcap both are market watcher, both are performing same, but the data is different. If you check here, so you will find the another data, like we have 12,248 cryptocurrencies in crypto market, but in Coinmarketcap.com you can see there were mentioned 16,000. So the data is a little different. So the same thing that you will do with coinmarketcap.com. So the same thing you can do with coingecko.com. In here you will find all the cryptocurrency. You can search about any crypto coins. You can find the current price, daily volume, market cap, the chart, the markets in which centralized and decentralized exchange the coin is available, and you can find everything about the crypto market, about the Bitcoin's dominance, the whole crypto market cap, and then all about any coins detail like the founder, the details, everything you will find in coingecko.com. Third website in our list is Cryptobubbles. Cryptobubble is one of the famous website in crypto where you can check the whole crypto market, whether the market is bearish or bullish. Here you can see this is all the top 200 cryptocurrencies. You can see those coins are in green color. It means the price of coin just increased about 7%, 10%. As you can see, Metis just increased about 10%, Kawa increased 10%, and then those coins or those bubbles that are that have red color, it means the coin price decreased about 8%, 7%. Even you can change from here. If you want to check top 100 cryptocurrencies, simply select top 100, or you have top 200, 300, 400, 500. You can change the setting, and then even you can change the currency. If you want to check whether about USDT, dollar, euro, or any other currencies, if you want to check the price, so simply click on here and you can change the currency. This will show us daily updates. If you want to change the time frame, simply click on day, and then you can change the time frame about 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, weekly or monthly, and then close it. So if we scroll down, you can find the whole detail about the coin, like here Bitcoins, the current price, market cap, 24-hour volume, 1 hour percentage, daily percentage, weekly percentage, monthly percentage, yearly percentage. And you can find the exchanges like we have Coinmarketcap, Binance, KuCoin, Get.io. So here scroll down, you can find the top 100 cryptocurrencies detail. So this is Cryptobubbles, the best website if you want to check whether the market is in bullish or bearish. The fourth website in our list is coin360.com. In this website, again the same like Cryptobubbles, you can find whether crypto market is in bullish or bearish. Here you can see you can change all the setting. If you want to check the coins or tokens, you can select from here, or even you can change the performance time frame, whether you want to check the daily or the hour. Simply click on here. If I want to check 1 hour, so simply select 1 hour, and then if you want to check the gainers and losers, which one, so simply click on this. If you want to check 15 losers coin or 100 losers coin or 50 gainers coin or losers, so I will select all because I want to check the whole market. Block size, you can check about the market cap or volume. You can select from here, and then the market cap range, and then you have the currency. If you want to change USDT to euro or Japani, Irani, Bitcoins, Germany, so you can change the currency from here, and then you can zoom in and zoom out. Simply click on zoom and then click on minus in order to zoom out it. Sorry. So this is the coin316.com where you can check whether the market is in bullish or bearish. If I check the today or 1 hour, so the market is bullish because the whole coins are in green color. If any coin background color is green, it means the coin is in bullish or the coin increased. Or if any coin the background is red color, so it means the coin price just decreased about 1%, 2%. So if you check here, so majority of the coins background color is green, it means the market is bullish. Okay, the fifth website in our list is coindesk.com. Coindesk website is a news website where you will find all news about cryptocurrency, about crypto market, or any individual crypto coins. If I scroll down, so this is coindesk.com where you will find all news about crypto market, about any cryptocurrency. So make sure to check this website daily because crypto market depends on news. If we receive a good news, so we can see a bullish day, we can see the whole market will go uptrend. if we see any negative news, so the whole market will come down and we can see a bearish condition. So this is the news or website for cryptocurrency, where you can find all news about NFT, metaverse, web3 or individual crypto coins. So make sure to check this website. Here you will find all the news about the coins. The sixth website in our list is Cointelegraph.com. Cointelegraph and Coindesk.com both are the news website where you will receive news about cryptocurrency. So this is Cointelegraph, where you can find all the news about crypto market, cryptocurrencies, NFT, metaverse, or about any governments that will announce any news about cryptocurrency. So make sure to check this two website if you want to make money with cryptocurrency, if you want to know whether today the market will go bullish or bearish. The last website in our list is Tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is a website where you can check the whole cryptocurrencies chart. Even you can check a crypto chart, forex chart, stock chart. So this is the best website where all the trader come here and they are just doing technical analysis. They are using indicators and they are following the chart in order to make profit with cryptocurrency. And here you will find all the coins about crypto, forex, stock. Here you can check the chart of any cryptocurrency, like this is the chart, and you can do any technical analysis using these tools. Even you can use indicators, you can change the time frame, and you can search any cryptocurrency. Like I want to check Ethereum USDT pair. So once you type any name of cryptocurrency, then you need to check, or you need to select the exchange, whether you want to check the Binance, Bybit, KuCoin. So I will select the Binance exchange. Like this you can check any cryptocurrencies chart and you can do technical analysis. You can use indicators. Even you can check the price, the current price of Ethereum. And then this is the best website, or the website where you can check the chart of any cryptocurrency. If you want to make money with cryptocurrency and you are beginners, so you need to check these 7 websites daily. If you want to know about the market condition, whether the market will go bullish or bearish, so you need to check these 7 crypto websites in order to make profit, in order to not lose your funds. So I hope you understand this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. So don't forget to like our video. Type your idea in the comment section. What do you think about these 7 websites? And still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.